Okay, so here is the trade I took this morning. Ended up being a nice win. Zero drawdown. Couldn't have asked for anything more. Let me show you kind of my thoughts, why I took this trade, etc. So today we came into the day. Previous daily high was not taken yet. So that was my first target, was previous daily high. You can see we respected this daily fair value gap very nicely yesterday. And there's nothing really else to come down for. There's this tiny gap here if we wanted to, but we're bullish. And we respected that daily fair value gap nicely. On top of that, we had these equal highs here. Another target of mine was this 4 hour, this tiny 4 hour here, fair value gap, which ultimately was my TP. You can see we're not really bouncing off of anything on the 4 hour in terms of fair value gaps. But we're bullish. On the 1 hour, traded into this 1 hour fair value gap and respected it really nicely. So my whole thing was, let me delete these alerts now. I wanted to see us either trade back into these 1 hour fair value gaps and continue higher from there, or just respect this, which we ended up doing, and find a continuation trade. So we pushed higher. So I was looking for a 5 minute to enter off of for continuation. And you can see we respected this 5 minute really nicely. And my entry was a 1 minute inversion fair value gap. Now, I'm very happy and proud of myself this morning for catching this quick enough to be able to enter. We did not inverse on MNQ. So I had to just quickly look because we closed so close to it that I thought, there's a chance. I look. This is NQ. What did we do? We inversed. We closed above. So that was enough for me. I trust NQ over MNQ. I entered. I actually got a bit better of an entry because I entered like off of this wick here of this candle, this one here. So got a bit better of an entry, but we'll just leave it here for the purposes of yeah, it was a market entry though, it wasn't a limit. Break even at this high here, and you can see I got hit break even, and a second later my TP was hit with the same candle. We got a tiny rejection for like 3 seconds, and then we continued higher. Luckily we continued higher because my combined accounts, you'll see I didn't get as nice of a fill on the combined accounts, so I was out on the next candle. And yeah, so that was the trade this morning. Perfect setup. Couldn't have asked for anything better. Like really couldn't have. And I'm trying to think, like, I took it with zero emotion. I treated this like I was back testing. I had a really nice productive back testing session of the entire month of November. And yeah, I just treated that as such. Like I was entering, like I was fast forwarding candles, and this popped up on my screen. I see it, I take it. That simple. No emotion. So I'm happy with how I traded today.